Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore investment tracking in TradingView watchlists, full guide step by step clearly. To restore investment tracking in TradingView watchlists, start by logging into your TradingView account. Once logged in, navigate to your watchlist located on the right side of the screen. If your watchlist is hidden, click on the watchlist icon to reveal it. Identify the specific watchlist you want to restore investment tracking for. Click on the three dots or the gear icon next to the watchlist's name. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. In the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Investment Tracking. Toggle the Investment Tracking option to enable it. After enabling, you may need to input your initial investment amounts for each asset in the watchlist. Proceed to find the asset for which you want to track investments. Click on the asset to open its details. Locate the investment tracking option again within the asset settings. Input the necessary data, such as purchase price, quantity, and date of purchase. Repeat this process for each asset in your watchlist that requires tracking. Once all data is entered, review your watchlist for accuracy. Your investment tracking should now be fully restored and operational. Save your changes and exit the settings panel. Regularly check your watchlist to keep your investment information up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.